To construct root 3, we must know that how to construct root 2. I already made a video on this, that link is given in the descriptions. Please first to learn how to construct root 2. Watch that video again and again and learn it there. Now we do start this one, how to construct root 3. And so for that sake, up to the root 2 you must know. Just to take that, see here picture is taken, already root 2 is constructed. OA is a line segment of length root 2. Now here you consider A as a center and draw a semicircle. With the same distance on the semicircle, you draw two arcs. From that two arcs, again draw the two arcs such that they are cutting each other. Now by using scale from point A and that cutting point, you draw a line segment. The line segment which is perpendicular to OA. Now this OA and that constructed line is a perpendicular. Just you see that. Now after that, now take it 1 unit distance, that 3 centimeter is equal to 1 unit considered in the while constructing the root 2. So the same distance you cut it here now, O to the point 3 units. Take the point and join that to the O, that is 0. We are saying that here O as a 0. After joining that, you label it as a C. This is 1 unit and that joined point you call it is a C. Now here A is a 90 degree, right? So take it that a triangle OAC. Now in a triangle OAC, what is angle A is equal to 90 degree. If it is angle A is 90 degree, then we know that this triangle is a right angle triangle. So therefore by Pythagoras theorem, what says Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. So for that, OC square is equal to OA square plus AC square. Take that OC square is equal to, this is OA is equal to, already we know that root 2. So root 2 square plus 1 square. This is 1 square. OC square is equal to 2 plus 1. That square and root get cancelled. OC square is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore OC is equal to how much it comes? Root 3 distance. Root 3. Yes. Now this OC square is equal to root 3. Na? This OC is equal to root 3. And this much distance on a real number line we must show. This on which line we are drawing that? Na? This is a number line, real number line. So draw an arc as a distance OC and that arc to the a number line, a real number line. Yes, very good. And this point where it is intersected to the number line, that point O to that point is the distance, that is root 3. So thus you give as a C dash, and just you see that OC is equal to root 3 is there already, and that is also same distance OC dash. OC dash. Hence we have shown there on the number line the OC root 3, construction of the root 3. C dash is the point, that root 3 on the number line there. Thanks for watching. Share this video with the friends. Subscribe the channel.